guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we're doing 5 DIY moisturizing treatments that you can use for your hair. And I know everybody needs the treatment for their hair. I mean, who doesn't? Let me know who doesn't, because we need to slap them, because everybody needs a DIY, a deep treatment, okay? So let's get right into the video. For number 1, it is coconut oil and honey. Number 2 is avocado and any oil of your choice and some honey. Number 3, conditioner, olive oil, coconut oil, and honey. Number 4 is avocado, aloe vera juice, a banana, and some honey. And for these measurements, I don't measure anything, I just put it in there. So you really don't have to measure it out, just eyeball it and know, like if your hair is short, you know you don't need to make that much. If it's long, go ahead and make a lot. You can also store it in the refrigerator up to 3 days. Or you can put it in the freezer and wait for next use. The 5th one and final one is coconut milk, honey, avocado, vegetable glycerin, and black castor oil. That one is very hydrating. It's for thicker hair, so if you have thinner hair, you can substitute the oil for anything light, like grapeseed oil, any of the lighter oils if you want, if you will. And we're gonna make this 6 because I have the one that I just did, which is number 6, coconut milk, olive oil, honey, avocado, and your favorite conditioner. Y'all, when I say that one was life, that one was actually life. Like, my hair felt so good, and it felt better than any of the pre-packaged conditioners that I already use. Like, that's how good it was. But if you haven't tried it, you need to try it. I tell you, it is life. You won't regret it. Well, that's all I have for the moisturizing deep conditioners. And stay tuned for the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.
The hosters, need what? Risky, homework, net peaks, homework.